Okay. Click so we can actually see that screen. Okay, so number one, match each expression on the left to an equivalent expression. In other words, these match this. Okay? The first thing we're going to do, take a look at this top expression right here. What do you need, honey? Okay, go get a different one. So if we've got 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 1/10, what could we call that also, guys? 3/10. Very good job. So we're going to write 3/10 right next to that one. All right, let's look at the next one down. Brayden, what will that one turn out to be? Real loud. 4/10 plus 5/10. What is that? 9/10. Carly. Are you no, that is not funny. Are you okay? But you laugh before you know if somebody's hurt or not. They'll call back. Are you okay, baby? Yeah. Okay. All right. Jaina, tell me what the answer to this next one is. Can you hear me, baby? Tell me what the answer to the next one down is. 2 plus 3 plus 6, baby. Guys. That's enough, Millie. That's enough. Put your hand down. Okay, what is it, Jaina? Jaina? Huh?
I forgot because of morning.
2 plus 3 plus 6, baby. That's all I'm asking you. What's 2 plus 3? Baby, put your pencil down, please. What's 2 plus 3? Hold up 2 fingers. Okay. Now hold up 3 more fingers. What's 2 plus 3? Can you say it? Look, baby, this.
11.
What? Oh, 11 for the whole thing? Yes, so it's going to be 11 over what?
5.
11 over 10. Good job. And the last one, Riley, what's that one going to be? You're close. Grab 11 and count on 4. 11, everybody in this room. Everybody in this room. 11. No, everybody in the room's not doing it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is it, guys? Okay, 15 over what? 15 over 10. Good job. All right. We need to find something that is equivalent to 3/10 up here. Look through those. Which one would also be 3 over 10? Jessie? 2 plus 1 over 10. Good job. So you're going to check mark that box. And then you're going to keep on going with those. You're going to find the one that's equivalent to 9/10 up there, and you're going to check mark that. So on and so forth. Got it? Okay, so you can do that one on your own. So let's move on down. No, we're not going to do this one right now. Make sure you are not doing this problem right now. Your eyes should be up here. Your eyes are not up here, guys. Thank you. All right, number 2. On Monday, 3/12 of the students went on a field trip. What fraction of the students did not go on the field trip? I want you to circle The part that shows the kids that went on the field trip. Right now, everybody. Circle the section that shows. Millie, show me what you just circled. Guys, you're not even looking up here. Please stop that and pay attention. Whatever you're playing with, stop. Okay? So, Millie, tell me. You're not off the hook. You still have to do it. Didn't go, Jacob. Well, let's read it one more time. On Monday, 3/12 of the student went on the field trip. What should you have circled?
312.
So it's this section that has been pulled out, right? Everybody should have circled this because those kids went. Asking is what fraction of the students did not go on the field trip? Yes, 9/12 is what was left. Terry, explain to us how you came up with 9/12 as your answer. Terry, tell us.
Counted all the ones.
You literally just counted them, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 did not go. You also,
Could have subtracted.
what if this picture wasn't here?
You could take it.
Right. If there was 3/12 that went, how many are left of that 3 that didn't go? 9, because 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Number 3. Riley planted flowers in some of her garden. Yes. What is with your manners today? I need you tuned in and listen. Your test is in a couple of days on this, guys. You have to pay attention. Riley planted flowers in some of her garden. Then she planted vegetables in 2/8 of her garden. Now, 7/8 of Riley's garden is planted. What fraction of Riley's garden is planted with flowers? How much of her garden is not planted? I want you to draw a picture of her garden right now. Just draw a rectangle. Yep. Usually gardens are like in a rectangle shape, so it just makes sense. We're going to draw a rectangle. Now, what denominator are we working with in this word problem? Riley and Harold.
I'm still on that.
No, tell me, what denominator are we working with? What number is on the bottom? Yeah, 8, right? So how many sections are we splitting Riley's garden into? 8. Here's what I want you to do. Millie. And please listen. I want you to split that rectangle in half. Everybody in this room should have just done that, and a lot of you are just sitting there. Okay. Half each of those. Now what am I going to do? Yeah, I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. How many sections do I have there? Show me where you just drew that. Finish it. And quit whatever you're doing. I'm getting really upset. Now, we are going to draw in those sections what it says there. Riley planted flowers in some of her garden. Do we know how many flower sections we're going to color in yet? We don't know what number some is, do we? Okay. Then she planted vegetables in 2/8. Write the letter V in 2/8 of those. Quickly.
Done. Done. Three.
Yep. So we've got vegetables in 2/8 of those sections. Well, now it says, now 7/8 of Riley's garden is planted. So if 7/8 is planted, isn't that 7/8 right there? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What fraction is planted with flowers if 2/8 of it was planted with vegetables? Look, the only two things that are planted there are vegetables and flowers, right? Listen. Listen. Well, if these are vegetables, and these are planted also, and this is not, how many things of flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. These are all flowers, aren't they? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 of them are flowers. How much is not planted at all? 1/8 has nothing in it, right? So it says, what fraction is planted with flowers? So we're going to find the 5/8 of her garden with flowers. 1/8 of her garden is not planted. Some of you don't have that answered yet. Hey, thank you. All right, moving right along, children. Select all the expressions that show a way to decompose 7/8. Logan, what does it mean to decompose a number? Break it down. Yep. So we're going to break 7/8 down. Look at each one of those. See which ones are 7/8 and check mark them. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do that. Everybody in this room has to do this on their own. 7/8. You have to do this. You're just sitting there. You haven't even picked up your pencil. Do you have this done? Guys, if you can add to 7, you can do this. That's literally all you're doing.
Done.
What's our symbol for I'm finished? Thank you. Okay, Rylan S. Tell me the ones that you check marked. Huh? Okay, just a couple more seconds. All you have to do is add to 7, guys. That's it. 3/8 plus 3/8. How much is that, Delphia, how much is that one? 3 plus 3, baby. Hold up 3 fingers. Hold up 3 fingers, baby. Now hold up 3 more fingers. Baby, I can't. Can you hold them up for me? I can't see. Good job. So this is 6/8. 7/8? Nope. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 5. And what do you have to make sure about? That it has an 8 as the denominator. That one works. 3/4 plus 4/4. It would be 7/4. And some of you may have missed that if you were taking that test because look, that equals 7, but that's not 8. All right, what about the next one? Yep, 1 plus 3 plus 3, 7/8. And what about the next one? Yep. Okay. All right. Number 5, which equation is not true when 4/12 is the missing number? So right now, I want you to plug 4/12 in for each one of those. See which one is not true. I'm going to start from the bottom, because those look a little more difficult. 1 and 5/12 minus 1 and 1/12. What do I subtract? What am I going to do? Somebody tell me what to do. Okay. Can I do 5 minus 1?
Yes.
Yeah. You can, so this one's not going to be funky, right? Like this is just straightforward, no biggie. 1 minus 1 is?
0.
Okay, so we don't have any whole numbers. And then 5 minus 1 is?
4.
So it's going to be 4 over?
12.
Okay, well, that's 4/12. They're looking for the ones that are not 4/12, right? Okay, so obviously this one's not the one. All right. What about 1 and 1/12 plus 2? Y'all, nobody was even going to stop me. It actually works though because it's the inverse. I'm so sorry. I plugged in the wrong thing. 1 and 1/12 plus 4/12. Does it equal 5 and 1/12? That's what we're figuring out.
Avery Ratliff, you've been signed out.
So I'm going to add together my whole numbers first. Riley, what's my whole number on this one? 1, right? What's my whole number on this one?
0.
Nothing. 0, right? So I've only got one whole. Now when I add together these, I've got 5 over 12. So my answer to this is 1 and 5/12. So, not right now. That's wrong, isn't it? That one's not going to work. That one does not work out. Let's look at B, though, and see what we've got there. Right now, on your scrap paper or somewhere on your paper somewhere, Oliver, everybody's going to do this. Write down B, plug in 4/12 and see what you get. So you're going to do 16 over 12 minus 4 over 12. Everybody in this room, find out what you get. Shouldn't take you 4 seconds, guys. Where did you write this down at, Rylan? You aren't even writing it down. Not cool. Justin, what'd you get for it? What's 16 minus 4? 12. So I get 12 over 12. But this right here says that it needs to equal 1. So Jacob, the answer, this right here is supposed to be 1. Are we wrong?
No, but that's a whole. 12 over 12 is a whole. So
This is 1, guys.
that is a whole.
That is 1 whole, isn't it? If you have a pizza cut into 12 slices and you eat all 12 slices, how much pizza did you eat? The whole thing. No, you ate 1 whole pizza. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And yeah, this is, yeah.